biogas plant working model. It is perfect example of converting waste into valuable energy. We will put the mixture of cow dung and kitchen waste into this. Through inlet pipe, the mixture goes to the plant. By the action of bacteria, there a gas produces, which name is methane gas. Methane gas is able to produce fire. Then fire.
I would like to speak how electricity is produced by falling of fine water. When water falls from height, it has a lot of energy. This moving water is used to rotate a large wheel called turbine. When turbine is connected to generator, it converts mechanical energy. The water will fall on this plastic spoon and this turbine will move. When the movement of the turbine, the electricity is produced.
I want to talk about my science model that is on domestic biogas. I made this model using waste materials like plastic ball, cardboard, pipes, and I also colored different types of kitchen waste material with different colors. So first we put kitchen waste material and sludge in this to waste intent. Then it will be passed out in the biogas digester. The biogas digester will break down the tiny germs called bacteria and send to the filtration. After filtration, it will be go in biogas collector. The biogas collector will make the biogas and it will be sent to the stove and candle. The food we are cooking is made up of biogas.
Today I am going to present my water filtration plant model, which aims to show that how natural materials can filter water. Our model uses a layer of sand, charcoal, grass and cotton. Each material plays a vital role. This demonstrates the importance of water filtration in creating clean and safe drinking water. Now here you can see I have got some muddy water and I am going to pour this muddy water into the sand container. This water can be used for many purposes for industrial use, agriculture and in house.
Working model on earthquake.
Earthquake is caused due to the sudden vibration of tectonic plates and when the tectonic plates move suddenly and the vibration reaches to the earth. There are 7 types of tectonic plates like American tectonic plate, African tectonic plate, etc.
By the magnitude from 0 to 9 in the units Richter scale, and the instrument used to measure the earthquake is known as seismograph.
Episode how biogas is produced using kitchen waste and cow dung. First we mix the waste in the mixing tank, then it is carried to the digester through the inlet pipe. In the digester, the bacteria breaks down the waste and forms biogas. The biogas gets collected in the gas storage tank and is used for cooking and household needs. The leftover slurry comes out and is used for organic manure for plants.
Volcano is the opening in Earth's crust through which magma, ashes, gases and lava comes out. 3 types of volcanoes: active, dormant and extinct. Active volcanoes which erupt frequently. Dormant volcanoes which can erupt in the future. Extinct volcanoes which are not expected to erupt again. Volcanoes are not only dangerous but also useful.